If you're considering CCH SureTax for your sales tax needs, there are a few things you should know before making your decision. While it offers great features, it's essential to weigh these against its competitors to make sure it's the right fit for your business. The first thing to consider is its automation capabilities. SureTax automates complex sales tax calculations, reducing the risk of errors. However, when compared to competitors like Avalara or TaxJar, SureTax may have a steeper learning curve for beginners. Next thing to know is the coverage of tax jurisdictions. SureTax provides extensive support for U.S. tax jurisdictions, but it doesn't cover global tax rates as seamlessly as other services like Avalara, which offers more comprehensive international tax compliance. The third thing you should be aware of is the cost. SureTax can be on the pricier side, especially when compared to other solutions that offer lower subscription rates with similar functionality. However, the added complexity and detailed reporting might justify the higher cost if your business has a significant tax reporting burden. Now, the fourth thing to consider is its integration capabilities. SureTax integrates with various accounting platforms like QuickBooks and NetSuite, but it doesn't have the same level of integration options as competitors like TaxJar, which boast even more third-party integrations. The fifth thing to keep in mind is its reporting features. SureTax offers in-depth reports that are helpful for tax audits and filings, but the user interface can be a little overwhelming for new users. Other competitors provide simpler, more intuitive reporting tools, which could be a better fit for smaller businesses with less complex needs. Next, we have scalability. SureTax scales well for larger companies with complex needs, but it might not be the best choice for small businesses just starting out. If you're looking for something that grows with your business without too much complexity, you might want to consider simpler options like TaxJar or even Avalara for lower volume needs. The seventh thing to note is the customer support. CCH SureTax provides solid support, but it may not be as fast or accessible as some competitors. For instance, TaxJar is known for excellent customer service with quicker response times, which could be crucial if your business operates in multiple states and needs frequent support. The eighth thing to keep in mind is how frequently it updates its tax rate database. CCH SureTax keeps up to date with changes, but other platforms like Avalara may offer more real-time updates and automated notifications for rate changes, giving you a quicker reaction time. The ninth thing is its user interface. CCH SureTax has a functional interface, but it's not as sleek and modern as some other options. If you're looking for an interface that's easy to navigate, you might prefer TaxJar, which prides itself on a simple, clean layout. Next, we have its customer base. SureTax is widely trusted by large companies in the retail and e-commerce industries, but if you're a smaller or mid-sized business, you might find that smaller competitors offer more tailored solutions that cater to your specific needs. The 11th thing to consider is the setup process. SureTax can take a while to get up and running, and its customization options might require a bit of a learning curve. On the other hand, some competitors like TaxJar are known for a quicker and smoother onboarding experience, which could save you time and stress. And finally, be sure to weigh its long-term value. SureTax offers many valuable features, but it might not be the best long-term solution if you're a smaller business or one that doesn't need such a high level of customization and complexity. For smaller businesses, platforms like Avalara and TaxJar might be more cost-effective while still providing the features you need. While CCH SureTax is a strong option for businesses with complex tax needs, it might not be the right choice for everyone. If you're looking for a better option that could save you time and money, check out our recommended solution, which you can try for free.